How to fix meta verification not showing on Instagram. So to fix this problem, I'll show you now two methods on how to fix this problem. First of all, if you open your Instagram app like this, now close your Instagram. After you close your Instagram, now go to your App Store or Play Store to update your Instagram app. So I'm using Android phone, I'll just go to my Play Store and update my Instagram app. Like this one, go and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram like this, go and tap on this update button. After you update your Instagram, now close the Instagram, close the Play Store and go and open your Instagram app. So after you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. So as you can see now, under this settings and privacy, now tap on this account center. Now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now, you see an option which says show your profile in verified. So tap on it. So by tapping on this section now, it will ask you to give them the required information to verify your profile. But if you cannot find it on your profile like this, now go back. So the second method to find the verification on Instagram, all you have to do now, if you open your, as you can see now, if you open your Instagram like this, now tap on this menu. After you open the menu like this, now as you can see under the settings and privacy, scroll to down, you will see an option which says verified meta. As you can see here, is it meta verified? So tap on it. So by tapping on this meta verified, it will take you to this option. As you can see now, it is same option. As you can see now, you can tap on this next button. They will ask you to give them the required information to verify your Instagram account. That's it guys on how to fix meta verification not available or not showing on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.